Hello, everybody. So I was playing a little bit earlier, and I did some quests from this dude, and I got 2 of them, and I didn't know where the clover field was, but then I found it, so. Oh, beetle. Okay, yes. Discover 4. Whoops. Wait, what is this? What is this? Please. Let me escape. I'm not winning this fight. Whew. Okay. Looks like I'll know where to go if I ever need anything. If I ever get as good as something like that. That's my honey. Alright. Rascal bees. So I finished all of the dude challenges for my here, so. Wait, I'm not gonna do. I got a new Let It Snow White Pollen. Get 100 goo. What? Collect 10 with 1 snowflake. Okay, collect 10 nectar. 10 seconds of nectar from plant. Okay. We'll do one in a minute. You know what? Okay. I'm just gonna go collect some white pollen from up here. This is where all the white pollen is, I think. Yep. And there's a spider. What? What? Where did the... Okay. Okay. What is goo? Like this? Oh, these are candies. Oh! Wait, what? Oh! That's what it was? Well, I almost have to have enough to get... Oh, wait, I need to collect 10 snowflake tokens. I'm gonna use a magic bean sprout. Oh, I have to go back. Okay. So I just only need a couple more things. Oh. Alright. One of my bees are sleeping on the job. Spinning in a circle. Okay. I'm going to go get another egg. Bought it. Whoa, that's a lot of them. I already have a rad bee. Do I? Wait. Yeah, I do. I already have a rad bee. I already have a commander bee. Oh, wait. What? Oh, those don't actually... Oh, I thought that made them do something or like turn into something. I'm dumb. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn everything that I have into him. What did I get? Okay, I need to collect 10 snowflakes. What is that 3 thing? Help 3 characters prepare beesmiths. Wait. Okay. I'm just gonna sit here. Oh wait, I forgot about the panda bears one. That's gonna be a lot of snowflakes. I need to defeat 3 spiders. Oh, my pollen container is full. Oh, come on, get him. Get the dumb spider. Yay. Wait, I didn't defeat the spider? Wow, this guy's annoying. Just completed my entire thing. And this was not his. The frog. Might as well just start doing this. And get everything. I'm just collecting stuff because of how much stuff is even here. No, he's stealing stuff. Wow, that was a lot of stuff. Oh wait, my bag is higher than my other stuff. Wait, how many things did I need again? Okay, which commander bee was that? Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. Did it say that I only needed 4 tickets? Tell me I got the royal jelly. No! I wanted the royal jelly. Oh, royal! Yes! Royal jelly. Yes! I got it! I got it. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, 6! Okay. That makes this easier. I'm here with the royal jelly to transform you into a bumblebee! Yay, that's a new one. I don't have him. Alright. So... Steel. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bamboo field. Okay, there's two. Oh, what is this? And of course, there's someone very good in this field. Oh! Rhino bee. Can't I collect any of these? Okay. Another one. I don't care. Dang it. Wow. Oh, I just accidentally collected a royal jelly. I don't care. And I'm gonna make honey. Whoops. Seems like everybody's good. There's like nobody that's bad, and they're taking up all the fields. Commander bee. I have a bomber bee. I have a cool bee. Alright. Okay, wait. Alright, I have to collect even more snowflakes. I didn't know that I could go up into the 10-person one. Bro. Ooh, mega jug. I got that. Wow, okay. Pineapple. Okay, mantis. Mantis and a beetle. Mantis beetle. Mantis beetle. Mantis beetle. SpongeBob, help me, please. Please, SpongeBob. I'm out of your secret little cave. I'm out of your house. Please, I need you to help me. Yes. My bees, go attack. Don't retreat. Yay. You've got to... So the beetle is going to spawn in 5 minutes. And the mantis... Okay, this is a good area to be. Okay, how many... Oh, it's snowing, that's why. Yes. This is amazing. You can get so many snowflakes now. Plus, I have a bigger bag. I didn't know that I already had 10 for some reason. Wait, it's still snowing, okay. I wish they had boots that made me run faster. That would be sick. There's a giant boss up there, but I'm too scared to go up to it. Because it looks like it's gonna kill me. I think it will. But I might as well go check. Okay, I found a snowflake. I I just need to collect 10 seconds of nectar, which I don't even know how to get nectar. So, attack my fellow bees. I thought that said 50,000 whenever I bought this bag. And it's bigger than my other one, so I'm filled up. Yeah. I wonder how many I'm gonna get from this. Alright. So, what should be the next game that I play? On anything. On Roblox or what game should I play? Talk to him. Let me talk to you. Okay, what did he say about the paper planter? Okay, I might have one. Let me check. Paper planter. I have one. Paper planter. Do I have to wait for this to get to 100? I'm standing next to it. Yes! Got him. A star jelly. Wait, what is a star jelly? I forgot what a star jelly is. Oh, he said a royal jelly. I thought he said a star jelly. Okay. Wait, if I only had 8 bees, would I be able to jump over to the 10? Like that? Or how would that even work? Okay. I'm getting... Why are my bees sad? Club. Alright. Okay, that was easy. So I know this is not that very interesting, but... Oh wait, what does this guy have to say? I have 12. I think I might. Science bear. I knew I should have gave it. Chemistry. I do. Wait, how do I pink balloon? Okay. Slingshot. What's up at the very top? What is that? I don't think I can get up there. I might be able to. Oh, come on, let me up. Let me up. Okay, am I able to? I'm up right there. Okay, wait. No, I fell. Am I supposed to be back here? I'm stuck. I am stuck right now. Okay, yeah, I have to reset. You died. Your bees must recover at the hive. Rage bee. It says it's just not giving me it because of my bees. Bees, I'm still alive down here. Look, hey, bee. Bees, no. Slingshot. Yeah, what is that thing up there? Not that thing. That thing up there. I have a feeling I can get to it. I just don't know how. I would. Not. And of course I'm back. Oh, really? Okay. Wow. Oh, these guys are really good. Okay. Defeat 3 spiders, okay? I can go defeat some spiders. Come on, spider. Okay, I have to sit here for a little bit. Here's some ladybuzz. Turn in 250 stingers to claim a vicious bee. What? Do I have 7 of anything? I don't think I have 7 of anything. Yeah, I don't have 7 of anything. I don't even know what that would be. Ah! Okay. Gonna come back in a minute. But that is going to be the end of today's video. And yeah, bye!